Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to exit Viber, and now let's dive right in. Now to exit out of your Viber app, first open up your Viber, and before we proceed guys, you need to know a thing. We will not be signing out of the Viber app itself, but we will be exiting from the Viber app. By that way guys, you won't be receiving notifications and calls from the Viber, but you'll still be logged in. So in order to exit out of Viber, on this interface, after opening your Viber, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see there's a more button available for us. Tap on the more button at the bottom right corner of the screen and you will land on this interface where you can see the settings option available for us just above my notes. Tap on settings, and over here again on this interface there is the general option available for us just below the appearance or at the last of the list. Over here tap on general and you can see the exit option available for us at the bottom of the screen under the general category. Tap on exit and again tap on OK, where it says the exiting will limit your availability and you might not receive calls and messages on Viber. With that being said guys, tap on OK and you will exit out of your Viber app. And there guys, this is how to exit out of Viber. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.